Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people encounter when dealing with technology. The problem we'll be exploring revolves around the frustrating issue of not being able to connect to a certain device. Whether it's a printer, a Bluetooth speaker, or a smart home gadget, we've all been there stuck trying to establish a connection without success. Now, let's talk about the solution to this connectivity problem. The key here lies in ensuring that both devices you're trying to connect are within close proximity. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Make sure there are no physical barriers blocking the connection, such as walls or metal objects. Additionally, double-check that both devices are powered on and their respective settings are correctly configured. By following these basic steps, you'll increase the chances of establishing a successful connection. In some cases, if you're still facing issues with connectivity, a quick restart of both devices can often work wonders. It's like hitting the reset button on the situation and giving them a fresh start. Oftentimes, a simple reboot can clear out any glitches or errors that were hindering the connection process. So, don't underestimate the power of a good old restart when troubleshooting connectivity issues. In summary, when faced with connectivity problems, remember to check the proximity, remove any obstacles, verify the device settings, and don't hesitate to give them a restart. With these simple yet effective steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a seamless connection. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy connecting!